record. Cik Yu dah. Dan saya kau cakap, "Ai sini tempat sama kamu." Kan? Kan? Mungkin betul.
Saya lupa dulu.
Tak, saya sebab dia buka
Tapi nanti saya harus tunggu.
No, you can't say my statement because I'm here.
Sebab you saksi. You dengar apa yang saya bagi.
Statement, no. Say that I'm here. No, you can't do that. That infringes my Okay, what's the basis of you not allowing me to read it?
I tak nak you tahu apa.
I have every right to be with my client confidentially. You cannot take my statement that is infringed my. Excuse me, is that your reason to deny access to lawyer? Please answer.
Can.
No, you cannot take my statement.
Can, come over.
Okay, but you cannot take my statement. I will come to my client.
Right. Okay. The questioning by MCMC has just been completed. Basically, they are asking Yusriah Yusof, a photographer for Suara Keadilan, on a photo that was taken during Bersih rally that shows a picture of Fayyadh, the bodyguard of Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim, who got hit by the tear gas canister. The picture clearly shows the serious injury he sustained because of the tear gas attack. And before we proceeded for the questioning, as you can see just now, I was initially allowed to accompany my client, but when we got in there, they started threatening me as a lawyer and saying that we want to take your statement or you can go out now. And I was like, no, I have every right to be here with my client for the questioning because Article 5(3) of the Federal Constitution guarantees that right, that a lawyer may accompany, a client has every right to be accompanied by a lawyer. And then there are two officials who came in. They were shouting at me. They were saying that if you don't give statement, I'm going to report you to the police. And when I asked for the names, they refused to give, and they're saying that don't talk about the law in this office. This is our office. You have no right to talk about the law. If you want to talk about the law, you go to court. That's what they said to me. And this is in clear breach of the law of Article 5(3) of the Federal Constitution. And they are threatening lawyers who are discharging their duties, in the course of discharging their duties under the law, in trying to defend their clients for questioning. And this is the mentality, this is the trend that we can see, that is being practiced by the government officials here at MCMC today. I'm very disappointed, I'm very outraged by the lack of respect to lawyers, by the lack of respect for the law, and they have the cheek to tell, this is our office, don't talk about the law. That means they don't respect the law at all. And they keep on harping my client for questioning on the photo that was taken during Bersih. Why do you reveal this picture? Why do you give this picture to other journalists? Why this picture is being circulated on the net, for purposes of news? This is the kind of intimidation that it's not going to stop. This is the kind of harassment that is not going to stop because they're trying to suppress truth. They're trying to suppress facts. They're trying to suppress the truth behind what's happening in Malaysia, in the political atmosphere in Malaysia, and they are going after each and everyone that is involved in trying to get the truth out from being suppressed by these government officials. And we can see today for ourselves how they are behaving like thugs. They were shouting in the room. One officer was taking my client's statement and the other two were shouting, harassing me and saying that we're going to lodge a police report against you for being here, for refusing your statement to be taken by the MCMC officials. This is what happened just now, and I'm very outraged at the level of disrespect for the law, at the level of rudeness displayed by a government officials, and this is very, very outrageous, I would say. Any questions? Yeah, it's about an hour. Sejam. It's about an hour, and it was interrupted by other officials. So basically, they're not giving me effective representation to my client. So yeah.
How many officers were there?
The one who questioned was Inspector. Sorry. His name is Muhammad Khairul bin Abdul Qadir. And then later, another officer came in to join, and during the commotion in the very beginning, there were 2 officials who refused to divulge their name. Basically, and later, after they finished taking the statement from my client, from Yusriah, they're asking, so are you going to give your statement? I said, I'm not obligated under the law to give statements. I'm here to represent my client. I'm discharging my duty as an officer of the court. Are you going to take my statement? Because I'm going to protest. And he said, okay, fine. So that shows it's just an intimidation. It's just a harassment directed at me as a lawyer, discharging my duty to stop me from giving representation to my client while being questioned. This is really outrageous.
Sejam tu banyak tak soalan tu dalam?
Dia sambil dia type, ada dalam, tak ingat 8 soalan kot.
Around 8 soalan.
Dia tanya, dia tanya
semua pasal
dia tak
bersih
percaya
lah.
gambar tu. Jawab lah, mana yang boleh jawab lah. Dia tanya gambar tu sendiri ambil ke kan? Tulis betul. Dia tak percaya gambar tu betul, dia nakkan kopi lah.
This is just harassment lah.
Dia nak
example lagi question apa yang tanya?
Dia ada tanya email apa guna untuk
email.
dihantar.
Dia kata
Gambar ni.
kenapa bagi download
kenapa-
download ke
ya.
gambar tu kan? Tak, Malaysia saya dia download sendiri lah kan benda tu.
Siapa download gambar tu kepada Malaysian Insider punya website?
Tak tahu.
What kind of question is this? You know? I mean,
Dia kata kenapa ada bayaran ke?
ya.
Dia ingat I jual gambar tu.
Ya.
Tak ada tu kan. Memang kita biasa kan kawan-kawan tukar-tukar lah kan. Dia ingat kita jual. Dia tanya siapa lagi yang you bagi? Tak ingat lah kata. Tak, rasa nak marah kat tadi. Apa dia suruh dia tak bagi lawyer kan. Kata, saya yang nak lawyer saya ada kat sini kata kan. Nanti dia kata ni bukan mahkamah apa semua kan.
Boleh lah.
Saya ingat tadi nak kalau dia dalam yang tu yang baju Melayu yang seorang tu.
So dapatlah kat dalam dua orang.
Dapat nama I tak dapat tapi seorang je lah.
Nama tak dapat lah. Cuma dia tak nak bagi tahu nama.
They say that this is our office, we have every right not to review our name.
You keluar lah.
No, I refuse to keluar.
Sampai habis.
I refuse to keluar. The way they are behaving, you know, we don't know what can happen. Yeah.
Tak cakap pasal Melayu pasal Islam. Pasal Islam. Islam kan Melayu kan bukan. Okey, pasal puasa. You jangan nak